Good morning. So what I did was I just played the Malabar grey hornbill sound from Merlin app, and as soon as I play that sound, the actual bird calls. So it's like constantly trying to communicate with the sound that I'm playing actually. So that's nice to listen. Alright, so we have started towards Patla Betta today, and we are going in this pickup truck. And even on this truck, it's going to be quite an adventure. The climb starts from here. ಫೋರ್ ವೀಲ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಫೋರ್ ವೀಲ್ ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಚ್ಚಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹುಷಾರು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ. So impressed by the 4x4 low capabilities of this truck. How easily it climbed it. Wow. Again, experience is not hengati sir. Alle books. Check out the route, it's going straight up there. A difficult route. Again 4x4 low country. Check this out, man. My God. Wow, this last section is quite crazy off-road. That's it, top of, wow. Amazing, man, just amazing. That's the mighty Kumar Parvats right there. On top of Patla Betta, finally we made it. Yesterday we tried, but we made it today. And check out the Kumar Parvat and the beautiful forests all around. Alright, time to get back down now. Four by four ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಜೀಪ್. Niti, so how is the experience? Alright guys, so it was a short and sweet stay here in Girimane. We have just checked out now. It's around 12 o'clock now, so we are now headed towards Mookanamane waterfalls. So we'll check that out, and from there we'll head back to Bangalore. We are taking a shortcut to this falls now. From Ridge Point, actually Bisle Ridge Point, there is a right turn. So we are taking that route. There is a cement route here. This way it seems to be only around 7 kilometers, 7-8 kilometers. So it's a narrow road here, but looks nice. Alright, so we have parked here and now we are walking towards the falls. Seems a lot of development happening here again at this waterfalls. Maybe they're putting up some structures here. Okay, that seems to be the waterfalls there. Getting down here is quite steep actually. ಯಾರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಕೂತ್ಕೋ ಹಂಗೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಬಾ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಾ, ಬೀಳಲ್ಲ ತಾಳು. ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಬಿಚ್ಬಿಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಕಾಲು ಬಿಡು ಮುಂದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಹಂಗೆ ಬಾಮ್ಮ. ಹಾಂ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಾ. ಕಾಲು ಜಾರ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡ ಫುಲ್ಲು. ಹೋಗಮ್ಮ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ನಿಂದು ನಿನ್ನ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋದಲ್ವ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Oh wow, with a lot of difficulty we just got down that slope. The slope, I don't know how steep it looks on the camera, but it's very steep. It's so difficult to get my son and daughter down, and my son was literally terrified actually. The only reason I was actually half stuck in there, but somebody helped us, because of which we were able to get down. Somehow we made it down. I don't know how we're going to climb back up. It's very steep. Somebody says there is another route the other way, but the falls looks good to play. Well, we are enjoying a little bit now, sitting at the falls. My biggest concern is how the hell are we going to climb this back now? There has been a big landslide. That entire section has come down, fallen off, and everything's come down here. Because last time I came to Mookanamane waterfalls, I definitely don't remember it being a difficult approach at all. Let alone it being this steep. Thankfully, a few people helped get our kids back up safely. They have also tied a rope. You can imagine how steep it is. They have tied a rope actually there. Somebody got a rope for us to climb back up. Because of that rope, it's possible. Luckily, we are all safe back out. Pravi, Kushi, na? Huh? He doesn't want to go back to any other falls now. Wow, this was such a nightmare. Thankfully, somebody tied that rope and we are all back up safely. Wow. Look at how loud the sounds of cicadas are in the forest. Okay, there's another place here on top of the waterfalls. There is a calm stretch of water here and a bridge. So we thought we'll sit here for a while and then head back. So the falls is just right over there. Ikada. Alright guys, so a nice couple of days spent here near Bisle Ghat. So we are done with Mookanamane Falls now. It's 3:30 now and we have not yet had lunch. So we are heading back to Bangalore now. We have to get started. But what a beautiful place this is, man. Quite a wild place. We'll head back now to Bangalore. I'll see you guys in another vlog. Until then, take care, see you and goodbye. And goodbye from my family as well. Guys, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. So Prabhi, you will drive back home?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go.